What is happening, my fellow artistes? Today, we're learning about composition. So what is composition? Well, if you guys remember from art class, and even if you didn't go to art class, don't worry, I'm here to remind you. Composition is how the subject is placed in the whole picture plane, and its overall relationship between the center and edges of the paper. So now, let me show you a trick. All right guys, so here I have my standard 11-inch by 14-inch mixed media paper, and what I do is I take 3 different measurements for my composition, starting with my horizontal axis. I'll start here, and then I'll measure here, and then I'll measure here. And so I'll just measure it at 14 inches because it's 14 inches wide. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So I'll make my light mark here at 7 inches. And then I'll move it down about halfway. Mark it again at 7 inches. Go down about a third of the way, mark it again at 7 inches. Okay. Then I will measure on the vertical plane. 11 divided by 2 is 5.5, so I'll mark it at 5.5. And I'll bring it over to the center. I'll mark it 5.5. I'll mark it one more time at 5.5. All right. And now I know where my center is on both planes for my composition. Okay guys, that is how I make sure my composition is spot on every time. So that is it. That is all I got for you guys this week. So if you guys dig these videos, be sure to like, subscribe, hit that little bell. Ding! My name is Braden. You have just been tipped off. I hope you guys had fun, and I will see you in the next one.